Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drive, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing an important information about Infosys interview experience for system engineer role. So stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any important information about this interview experience. So let us start our video. As you all know that many students have started receiving shortlist mail and many students have already completed their interview. So this video we have made by taking so many experience of students who have completed their interview. Infosys is expecting from students to have knowledge of some important things to get a system engineer role, like knowledge and experience in building projects using software engineering methodologies, proficiency in at least one coding language such as C, C++, Python, Java, working knowledge of operating systems and database management, know how to produce software according to specifications and build extensive and detailed test cases to ensure that the best output is being produced. So these are some important Infosys technical questions students have faced in interview. What are classes and objects? What are the different types of constructor in C++? What is the software development lifecycle? Describe the waterfall model. What is the difference between delete and truncate in SQL? What are foreign keys and candidate keys in DBMS? What are the SDLC steps? What is the complexity of the merge sort algorithm? What is the difference between DDL and DML? What are the asset properties in DBMS? What are the different types of keys in DBMS? Explain with an example to convert a given ER diagram into tables. What is the minimum number of tables required? What is the advantage of using a constructor? What is a Java virtual machine if you have chosen Java as your preferred language? What is the difference between exceptions and errors? What is hashing? Why is insertion sort called insertion? What is the difference between list, tuples and dictionaries in Python if you have chosen Python as your preferred language? So these are some important Infosys technical questions students have got in interview. Now coming to Infosys coding interview questions, write a program to find whether the input string is a palindrome or not, write a functions to check whether the input number is prime or not, walk me through the implementation of the merge sort technique, which is nothing but bubble sort technique program, write a code to convert an input decimal number into binary without using any built-in functions, write a program to reverse a string. So be prepared with the basic coding questions. All companies will ask basic coding questions only, so don't worry, coding questions will be very easy. Now coming to HR questions, tell me about yourself. What do you aspire to be? What are your hobbies? Are you comfortable working from anywhere and for any work hours? What is the most challenging project you have worked on? Tell me about a time when you managed a difficult project. What qualities a team leader should have? What are your strength and weakness? Why IT being a non-circuit branch student? Why should we hire you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why do you want to work in our company? What motivates you to do a good job? What are the toughest decision you have ever had to make? Do you have any questions? So these are some important HR questions students have faced in interview. So these are some important tips to crack your interview. So be confident in interview. You should have good communication skills. You should have good behavior skills. You should be honest. You should prepare well. No distraction should be there in your background. Before sitting for interview, you should check all your technical requirements. So don't worry, interview will be very easy and your interview will be complete in 15 to 20 minutes. So be prepared and do well. Thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.